For today's video, I'm going to discuss on how to write quadratic equations in its standard form. The standard form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Therefore, if we're going to write quadratic equation into its standard form, the right side should be equal to 0. So the right side of the equation will be 0, and we can have the left side as the quadratic term, the linear term, and the constant term. So if we're going to have number 1 here, x squared plus x equals 3. If we're going to write this one into its standard form, what we're going to do is we're going to have the right side equivalent to 0, and all of the three terms should be found in the left side of the equation. So what we're going to do here is we're going to transpose 3 to the left side. Now, if we're going to transpose this one, the sign will be changed. Therefore, this will become negative 3. So we're going to have here x squared plus x, then the constant term minus 3. It will be equal to 0. So this one is now in its standard form. X squared plus x minus 3 equals 0. Then for number 2, 2x times the quantity of x minus 3 equals negative 5. So this is a type of quadratic equation not written in its standard form. So what we're going to do first is we're going to operate this one here on the left side. So 2x times x, that will be 2x squared. Then 2x times negative 3, that will be negative 6x. And on the right side, we're going to transpose negative 5 to the left side. So negative 5 transposed to the left side, this will become positive 5. Then this will be equal to 0. Number 3, 5 minus x times the quantity of 2x plus 1 equals 12. So we're going to operate this one first because we have seen here a parenthesis. So we're going to operate this one first. So we're going to have here 5, then negative x times 2x, that will be negative 2x squared. Then negative x times 1, that will be negative x. Then what we're going to do here is we're going to transpose 12 to the left side. So 12 will become negative 12. Then this will be equal to 0. And arranging the terms here, the first term should be quadratic terms. We're going to have negative 2x squared. Then followed by the linear term, negative x. Then last will be the constant term. So in here we have 5 minus 12. Operating this one, we can have negative 7. Then this will be equal to 0. So this is now the standard form of 5 minus x times the quantity of 2x plus 1 equals 12. Then for number 4, quantity of w plus 3 times the quantity of w minus 6 equals negative 4. So using the FOIL method, you can have w times w, that is w squared. Then w times negative 6, that is negative 6w. Then 3 times w, that is 3w. Then 3 times negative 6, that will be negative 18. Then transposing negative 4 to the left side, this will become positive 4. Then this is equal to 0. Then w squared, then negative 6w plus 3w is negative 3w. Then negative 18 plus 4 is negative 14. Then this will be equal to 0. So this is now in its standard form. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below, and see you next time.